heart of Earth's biodiversity, the Kalahari, the largest expanse of sand on the planet. At the center lies the living creatures, breathing miracle. The great waters is the heartbeat transforming this land like none on the earth. From the long-necked animals to the short-legged animals. The land which is now full of water, the animals that depend on the water and those that don't depend on the water. From the land predators to the water predators. Welcome to the flood. Today we are going to talk about the current flooded issue. At the heart of Earth's biodiversity adventure lies the magical wonders of the current flooded issue in the most parts of the world. From the rivers breaking its banks, life beats into existence, filling every corner of the earth, quenching the thirst of the land. Thus the animals that call the jungle home. It is not that I'm not worried about the people stuck in the ongoing floods, but my heart is more broken for the animals, especially dogs and puppies and the kittens, because they can't swim or jump to higher places. The mother cats struggling to carry their kittens to the safer areas, but in the process leave behind the other little ones only to be swept away. Now my heart bleeds for them because they have no one to be there for them. No Red Cross, no Sakaja or any government to blame for not delivering to them as per their expectations. No media, the cities and the KTN, the adventures to air their suffering. No one to guide them to the safer place. Oh, my fellow creatures. May God, may Allah protect you for them. So please, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, the Earth Biodiversity Adventure Spirit, please do so. And let's take care, let's protect, let's help also, let's rescue the young animals from our Earth's